I'm Melissa Wildstein, president and founder of the Matchstick Group. We're a marketing agency that has specialized in the medical device diagnostic space for more than a decade. We've helped med tech companies from startups to Fortune 500 companies launch more than 50 brands across the US and Europe. And today I want to share some insights into a really foundational element of marketing that's often overlooked but truly critical to success, and that's identifying your target audience. So one of the questions that I've been getting from prospective clients lately is, should we focus on SEO, PPC, email, or social media? And my answer to that is always the same. Before you even start to think about tactics, you really need to take a step back and define three elements. So first, you really need to clearly define and identify your target audience. In the medical device world, your audience is rarely just one group, right? It might include healthcare providers, as well as everyone that supports and influences that healthcare decision. So that could be patients, it could be caregivers, it could be hospital administrators. And each of these audience has a very different need and challenge, and often even a different decision-making process. So once you've identified who they are, then you really need to kind of look and dive a little deeper to understand their pain points and their motivations. So we really need to understand, like, what are their biggest challenges and how does your product address those challenges and deliver value? So an example is we worked with Helios Medical, and they're a real innovator in the neurostimulation space. And for them, we didn't just market their PONS device, but rather we focused on showcasing the profound impact that that device made on patients who were suffering from gait deficit due to symptoms of mild to moderate multiple sclerosis. So highlighting the improvement in their quality of life is what truly resonated not only with healthcare providers, but with the patients themselves. And then once you've identified those pain points, you really need to craft that compelling value proposition. So why should someone care? You really need to make sure you're articulating how your product stands out. What makes it indispensable? A strong value proposition builds the gap between their needs and your solution, setting the stage for a successful marketing campaign. So when you have all three of these elements in place, the decision really about which marketing channels to prioritize, again, whether it's SEO, PPC, email, or social media, that all kind of becomes crystal clear. So if this sounds like a challenge that your business is facing, let's connect. At the Matchstick Group, we thrive on helping medtech companies define their value, engage their audience, and drive results with precision and impact. I'd love to help your brand unlock its full potential.